beautiful pot of power called Mask Supreme 7-in-1. Has 7 benefits. So it hydrates, it repairs, it detoxifies, it clarifies, it brightens, it smooths.
So tell us how it works, because that's a lot of claims in one little pot of face mask.
Well, there are many different ingredients, again, intelligently blended. The safflower oleosomes that we have within this mask basically time release vitamin E into the skin, which gives it antioxidant protection power from inside out. And it also has the safflower extract, which is responsible for hydration and also responsible for elasticity. Then we're working with the creme de la creme of clays. We're working with bentonite clay in here, and that works to detoxify the skin via electrical attraction. So we're working with electron pulling. It's basically going in there, if you imagine a big hand pulling those toxins to the surface of the skin. Then we've got a fascinating product, a blue-green algae. This ingredient reduces and slows down biological aging as well as premature aging, so it's incredible benefits. But one of the things that I like about this the most is that it actually reduces sunburn cells after you've been out for a day in the sun. It actually reduces those by 98%.
Wow.
So I'm going to apply this on. I would say we probably need about that much. If you've got a skin that's a bit older, say post 40, post 35, you might want to put a thicker layer on because you'll get more of the oleosome technology coming through, and it's going to take a longer time to go transparent, which means it's staying and it's feeding your skin a bit longer. For you, Hayley, you know, about that much is fine. I'm going to start just on the cheeks here, working upwards and outwards, as I always say. So it applies really beautifully. You know, it's very, very light. It goes on in a cream format. Now, sometimes with this mask, it is very, very active and it is doing 7 things at once. So you may feel, sometimes you may initially feel a little bit of a tingle when it goes on, but please don't be worried about it. Please do not be concerned. All that's happening is that it's working its magic. It could be that it's taking down some inflammation. It could be that it's taking off, you know, stopping some comedones from coming through.
I can definitely feel a tingle.
Good. Can you feel it in anywhere specifically?
I can feel it around my nose. It's not an uncomfortable tingle either. It's a very subtle, almost pleasurable tingle.
So it's like making you feel like the product's working. Some people like that.
And how long should I leave this on my face?
So left on for about 10 minutes. If you want to leave it on for longer, that's absolutely fine, but it's a minimum of 10 minutes if you want that beauty flash, that glow. But also it's fantastic because with the Oleosome technology, you can leave it on overnight. It's fine, but you
How
don't...
much would you actually use if you wanted to leave it overnight? Because I'm presuming you wouldn't go to bed looking like this.
No, you wouldn't go to bed looking like this, but if you wanted to use about this much, what you would do is just wait, because it will go transparent, and that's why it's perfect for flights. You get it on, and then about 10 minutes before the aircon comes on, basically it will go transparent, so nobody will know that you've got the mask on, because it literally, I mean, you can see it changing now. It's actually changing from that very creamy green, pale green colour, and it's actually moving into a transparent phase. So that's when you would be okay to go to bed with it.
So it's been about 10 minutes, now we're going to take it off. And massaging motions around the face.
I would say just hold the flannel, you know, onto the face and let the pores sort of open back again. Or you can just hold it on flat. So, yeah.
It comes off so easily. So many clay masks, you really have to fight with skin. But this just glides off.
Yeah.